Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw a beach hat with our teacher. Let's get started. First we draw a flower on the hat. Next we draw the top part of the hat, which is a semicircle. Connect the semicircle to our flower with a curved line. Then draw the brim of the hat. Next, draw the boundary line between the top of the hat and the brim. Add the center of the flower by drawing a small circle and tiny lines around it. Now our flower is complete. Once the hat is done, we move on to coloring. For the flower, we use a magenta marker to outline the edges of the flower. Then, use an orange marker to fill in the inside of the flower. Color the small circle in the center yellow. Next, we draw patterns on the hat. At the top of the hat, draw a flower using wavy lines. Use blue and purple markers to draw 5 curved lines. Then, fill each section with different patterns. First, color the flower blue. Use wavy lines to draw the patterns in the second and third sections. For the fourth, fifth, and sixth sections, use a magenta marker to draw wavy lines. Dot the magenta wavy lines with an orange marker and fill them in. Continue to use the orange marker to draw the boundary line between the top and the brim of the hat with wavy lines. Next, use diagonal lines to add patterns to the hat's brim. Draw small semicircles inside the wavy lines of the brim. Use a blue marker to add vertical lines to the brim. Finally, use a pink marker to outline the edges of the hat with dashed lines. And there you have it. Our entire drawing is complete. Great job, everyone! Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.